Hello students, here's a quick video on how to play the easy guitar part for the Kids Bop version of I Got a Feeling by the Black Eyed Peas in C major. So the easy guitar part is playing pretty much the same thing throughout the entire song, except for one section where it changes and then we go back to what we were playing before. So you only need to know 3 different notes to learn this first bit, okay? Which is the 3rd fret A, then the 3rd fret D, open A string, and then back to 3rd fret A. Alright, so again, 3rd fret A, 3rd fret D, open A, back to 3rd fret D. Okay, now we're not playing them as single notes like I just did then. What we're going to be doing is playing them 16 times each. So I tend to think of that as 2 sets of 8. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 3rd fret D. And again. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now to open A. Another 8 times, and then back to F. And that's pretty much it. They're going to be quite fast when you get up to tempo, so get used to this little down action, okay? Now it's important that when we're plucking this, we're not plucking out, we're not plucking down the strings, okay? Just a small movement, okay? Okay, that's the thing we need. We don't want, okay, because then it starts to sound messy, okay? See how little my wrist is moving? Yeah? Only very, very slight. And to get this up to speed, it's just going to be a little bit of practice, okay? So that's the main section, okay? 3rd fret A, 3rd fret D, open A, 3rd fret D. And that just keeps repeating over and over. Now the next section where it changes is in the 2nd chorus, 2nd verse, and 2nd pre-chorus. So that, I know that's 3 different sections, but we're playing the same thing over all 3 sections. So now we're going to be playing this, which some of you might be familiar with, okay? Because a lot of you have learned this song was one of your first ever songs. We've already done this type of thing. But it's slightly different now because we're in a different key. So, all we're going to be doing is this. You're going to start with basically what is a power chord shape. Okay, so you're going to get your 1st finger on 1st fret B, then your little finger on 3rd fret high E, okay? And you're going to play that 4 times. Okay, 4 times on that. Then we're going to go down to, so keep that 1st finger where it is, stay on that 1st fret B, and now we're playing 1st fret high E as well. Up to you how you want to play this. I'm playing with 2 fingers here. You can do it with 1 finger, whatever's more comfortable, okay? I'd go for 2 fingers just because of what we're going to do next. Because we do this 1st fret twice, and then we're going to lift off that middle finger so we've got an open high E now. Alright, so that 1st fret B, 1st fret high E, to 1st fret B, and open high E. So that bit sounds like this. Okay, and again. Alright, then after that, you're going to go back down onto that 1st fret B and 1st fret high E and play that 8 times. And then we go to the A minor, well, it's an A minor chord, but again, it's just 1st fret B and then open high E, so you're lifting that middle finger off again. And then you're back to the 1st fret B and 1st fret high E. Okay, so that whole section sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, and that whole section plays 4 times. So then after that, we then go back to that first riff that we were doing. Okay, and then we finish, very last bit, we finish on a C power chord, 3rd fret A and 5th fret D. Okay, so after the last time we're going back to the C and finish nicely like that. So now I'm going to play an entire playthrough of the song nice and steady. Now the first 8 bars is the keys intro, so we don't play anything, okay? And then we come in on technically what is the first chorus. So first 8 bars are blank and then we come straight in. But when we play through now, I'm just going to come in straight away on chorus 1 when we're playing that 3rd fret A. Alright, so I'll keep this nice and steady, we'll play through it and you can play along at home. Here we go. Starting at 3rd fret A, chorus 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 3rd fret D. So open A. So 3rd fret D. Pre-chorus, same thing, 3rd fret A, 3rd fret D, open A, 1, 2, to 3rd fret A, go. Change. And repeat, go. Two more times. Last time. fret A, 2,